Ano ba ha?
Oh, kunya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kini di mana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinjit kerpang kini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinjok buat kijing penda. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Karya Karpran na St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong kalayo South Paan Rupsaw Max baru Ganesh Roy Bhoming na Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School ulayo South Paan Rupnai Max ban bat iki kerdan menungkong hak result HSSLC Commerce bat Science Stream jangka Meghalaya Board of School Education palapan benah hak pendidik cumang arjar puar Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School kelawan ban bat ru kerdan baar na result HSSLC Science Stream lengbau Rishi Sarkar ulayo South Paan Rupsaw Max ya kerdan balai pat labat na Chetna Bos na Don Bosco College Higher Section Tura kabayo South Paasan Phunai Mak nakaliang sulong mil kurwa katiar layo banyakran bak principal jong Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School karingku bahata charji bahadin layo ru banyakran bagi angur khana jong ke school kiblawan nak kerdang menukong berbaar.
Yeah, today we are so much proud because we have got rank from both sections, science and commerce. I have both sections, science and commerce. From last year we got first from commerce section. This year we got third from commerce section. Last year we didn't have any rank from science section, but this year we have got first and second both. And also we got highest mark in physics, chemistry, maths, English, Hindi. So I am proud of my teachers, my students, and they have listened to us. Because of this COVID situation, we could not take normal classes, so we have to arrange with a online class. And thanks to Anyline, they have provided us immediately with connection because other functionaries, say Jio and broadband, didn't work nicely, but they have given us at the very right moment when we asked for. And we have started our class from September as soon as government has given permission on offline classes, because we know that without offline class, success cannot be there, because teacher-student interaction is first. Without teacher's face, student will not rely, because then what is the use of coming to the school? They can read at home, read the book. Teachers are giving notes in the online classes, but when they came with the met with the teachers and teacher explained in the class, they could follow better way. So I don't think online is better than offline. This is last 2 years has taught us. So we have depended on offline class for all the classes. For 10 and 12, 9, 10 and 12 we have started from September, but for others we have started from November, and we have done everything offline, also test. So teachers has taken so much trouble, because offline class is very easy than online class. Trouble is more with the teachers than with the students, but offline helped the teachers, and teachers also took both offline and online because time period was very less. So sometimes note they have given, some clarification they have given online, but rest of the thing we have done offline. It is different because see, my students, they don't have computer at home, so desktop is not there. They have to rely on this type of smartphone, and smartphone, if you read from smartphone, you can see your eyes are giving trouble, no? So children go away. The guardians, they read it. So after that they teach the students. So it is a vice versa, so it is not proper. It should be 1:1 interaction, right? So offline is more preferable than online. Actually, see, these 2 years they have made the students so lazy. For other classes we are finding difficult. We are chasing them. Every day we are calling the guardians and do this, do that. We are telling them. Today also, I think you have seen, I called from their guardian because teachers are talking with the guardian, but still from the administration side, if we say something, then guardians take more importance to that. So these are good students, means they can, if they are done with some practice and all, but from school guardian side, their importance is more. Guardian plays more role to the students than the teachers. In the school, only 6 hours. At home, they are having 9 to 12 hours, excluding that sleeping time. So guardian can teach more. So only we tell them, guardian, you don't have to teach. Only see that your son is studying. Only this much you do, and take care of that. But in science, this year some students they have failed. Commerce is 100%. Science problem is in 11 we have given as per direction of the board, all are through, so we could not do anything. But in 1 year, or not even 1 year, September, October, November, December, 4-5 months, what to do? So they could not pass.
I'm feeling very much happy, very much blessed. I cannot, describe how I feel. It's just a feeling which I have never felt, obviously, before. And I'm very much thankful to the Almighty for keeping both of us safe and, healthy throughout this period of our preparation. And obviously, I cannot forget my parents. They are the reason why am I here today. And of course, my teachers. Whatever we have done today is just the outcome of our teachers' hard work. I'm very much blessed to be in this institution. Like, I've received all the love and care here. Like I say, this is my second home. So I'm happy that I could do something for my institution. Yes, we had online classes like from April to September, I guess. Yes, it was difficult to cope up, but we managed it very well, and the credit goes to our teachers. They have helped me, actually helped us very much. I'm very much blessed that I was never said no by any teacher at any point of time. I was never said no. I could contact them any moment of the day. They helped me out in every possible way, be it through WhatsApp or maybe through calls or maybe through physical meeting. They are the reason, like, what we have done today isn't just because of them.
How different is the online class and the offline class?
It's a huge gap. We cannot explain that. Like, when there are offline classes, there's this interaction. You all have experiences offline classes. We are always accustomed to the offline classes, and when we suddenly moved to this online classes, this was a bit difficult because there was no physical meeting, no physical interaction. But yeah, we coped with it.
So I just want to thank all my teachers and parents, because geniuses are not born, they are made. Okay, I cannot name everyone actually. They know who I'm grateful for. My routine is built for me. I cannot advise on everything, but you have to adjust according to your life. My routine is adjusted to my life. So first of all, you have to study, build a strategy for it, and perform well. Have confidence in yourself. Never think that you will let anyone else down or yourself down. But if you fail, always believe in yourself.
Nga kwa panai ngu yu budai namar ba uradon nikat ban nga man sngi bat ki sngi ru pala dai ru radon bet banga te nga sngu ru mi pa namar ki kajing rap jangki baban ya kasi kumjur nga sngu iki ya kinoi kai kumjur ru bet principal namar ba men hakini ki pandemic ru kila ya rap ingi namar ba teng ru imda sutu ru kai ka topik ya ru kila kloi ban ya rap ingi nga sungguh ikiru nomor kira ai mensim yang bakan nang le hasu ngadan jing temu pan le ki entrance exam bangan de ka architecture akini ki NIT sene ki SPS te tengta aku wi kaliang kalong ba ngim de yo ba ban ya interact bit ki nai kai ma te ka bu ya ka jing du hi bakra but aku wi kaliang ru kadon ni ka jing mentoi nomor ba ngidon bi hayang nomor ngi yo bon ka por ban kre kot rumah te kolong kopta hi ka shong ha kumnu ba pipet ma kira ban shimi positive negative bang shong pipet tang positive i ka offline classes wat kalong ba laki rukum hikai ru kinai kai kalong ka peri nomor bangi la ban kili jing kili hantu ni ka online classes wat kalong ba ka kham jari ban ong ban yo iki ban kili iki doubt si ke ma
Hagalianga Commerce Stream, ka Emerin Kharpran, St. Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong, baru Keshaf Agarwal, na Don Bosco College Higher Secondary Section Tura, kila yo ban bad ikerdan baar, da yo khur mar saus pa andru par max. Ya kerdan balai labat do chirak dev na Laban Bengalee Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong, da yo saus pa san andru max. La yo ru ban ikran bor principal joka school St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Fara Anthony Karkuar, kumjuru Karia Kharpran, bar ke Eliana banida nongrum.
Ipin pau ke jiskungu ya blay. Mana kawai ke por la kerku yang ni la kerku ke school ki no hikai ki kena school bak mi ki pa te menta auslam ru ke jing sha mangi ha ke meeting ru ni la ni klam don kata ka high expectation ya ka result ba menta auslam namar ko ma pitip ke ni ke batch ke ba ni yo shim ya admission ha ka por jong pandemic te ki kena bo ni ki kena ki ba de ban wan na se bar ban shim admission hang ni kem yo Rei hakui ka kompan is ngui boleh bah kani ka ailat ikna jongi hibana state bakin one shim admission but bakin pulih bakin ya shim ni kalat kabu ya bedang ganing yo i bah ni ka batch la kadi ka batch ka ba syong no ka ba kem yo kalat si bandon katakat interactive physical classes mo ni don shis nam ngilash pun ki class 11 class 12 ni yo tang how Ngisang ke kelas tang hadu not how September but October. Te hardly ngidot ngiyok tang abnai ban don kata ke interactive classes. Te kino hikai ru ki sngo diao ki sngo si namar ki sngo khuslai ki kena kin long kumno ki lek exams kumno namar hak online exams bon ki ba kim tip how ki long hadu kan no ki ba trish tom ki ba tre hok no ki ba long sincere ne ki ba long honest tengi aku selai kata karukom riwat katapan mentaka sengi dengan yo i result jong commerce kamtam lele kalong ke ba ngisgo komen tengi ngu yo bleng ngu ya kena ki bla trace tom shisha but ikino hikai ki bla hikai la amen sim ki mi ki pa but nakalian joki science pat ngim sim la do jinkermen rengi la don kata expectation hi ba ngim num yo result mentau sunam ke babha namar nakadau jong ke pandemic ke corona ke bawan Rei wala katapat ngala I mean sim ya kino hikai bakim de bendu jingkemen let's see kalong ka challenge nak benta jungi wat apedeng kani ke jing yo mat kani ka klam rei wala kataru ni klam sange ban ya kata ka I ka education hikai ki kena rei wala kataru na pedeng jong kiru langut kidang yo toppers ka science te ngi I ka jingkit bokit wiang ikni kena ki blale ba bat kamta mai bakinang kiu sheprang bakinang bat ke jingkai ke baki layo nak skor jungi bat ki baknang bakinang ya trace tom nang diskmat kani gede one step journey ahead of the life te kalong ke ba I mean simpat ya ki kena skor ni ju yo i ba skor jungi ke ju pau ba mo te kani jing pau jungi kena ru gede ban I mean sim ki kena skor ru ba lada don kambon hangta don ka lat kalenti te ni ai ki jing complementara sunem lele ni kena science ki bayot na skor jungi gede kasi namar kini group bon bang yo nak ya state jungi tengi iba kena jungi tu kim de ki ba kom re ki la ha ba ki tristom tengi ngop men ban gina ai kuble ba kinang ya le bahasa kemat ni abang ong ba kim yo kalat ban interact pi ka don ka jingi pher ban don ha classroom ban don ha ying lamba ka media lamba ka mobile mo ki bangila ki la ban hikai ha ka blackboard ya ki maths mo ya ka calculations kim la ban le hi hang tu ha ka mobile mau kisah pada ke video, dan apa yang kata jing paru kan nungut sisa kiban pet kan nungut sisa kiban lek, kino kai kim tip, pi terkaya perbak lebak, dia ka practical imla ban lek ha yeng, mau kin hab one school kin hab show ka science lab kin hab lek, tebun kini ki jing du nong ke bakrau ke bakim yo ya kata ke exercise bakin lek, te kan ni ke pelong no ba ki kim sim lala ban lek bahagi, ka message na ke bentak samla jongi tawat ladang ila yo mat kan ni ka no kan ni klam ni wala katang i ba bon kitu ki kena ki belale ba ki dar shim shisha ya kata ka duty le jong ba ki shim serious ke duty ba kin le ba Nre habang ipe ya result kelum pat mentau snem kam dalong encouraging bah kum bah kiwi kisnem. Te ya katar ngimla ban ben la ni ban yopo la ni ban complain kadai baru khoj bang yo amat. Nre wala pedeng kataru ngidang ya le ban ngila job. Te nang ni skmat mo ni ai ku blei ni kentui kena ba mentang ngila yo ya kanikalat ni di ban pendon kam bah. Ngim desu ban sim kabu ngim desu ban long ki kena ki ba mo bajai tu ban ken sting ban sim sting ke baro tengi di ban pau news number 1 ba ngin sayo shushu ya kerza ka ba kamba.
I am very happy and satisfied bangalayo kami ka first position. There first of all I'm thanking ilahi ba ula ai kattu all the hard work prayers ka work momenta ko. Secondly, nga thankfully imay ipa baba ba ila inspire la encourage nga ban lebha. Thirdly, ki teachers, principal, bagi la encourage ngi. Diga pandemic batch mingi, 11-12 pandemic. Kataru ki help ngi, ki provide notes, videos, audio barok ban ngin lebha. Dengi pan help ki support, ki long supportive ha. So obviously nga thank you for the teachers who. First of all, te badi ban consistent ban, di ban hard work ban. Then ki por ba ki long ko ban give up nom la puli show. Badi kataru trust her God un ai kapat fi ban lebha. Te hoy ketu hable hard work puliman kasi na chupep kumtu. Obviously online offline ya pair hi marba online te net ting network issues ru offline de long kum ni aban kiliam ki dalam ki teachers ki doubt class ni aban clarify online kum tu na network issues kataru number ba dan videos audios the mostly ni aban refer back dengi kwa kumtu minta ngani BCom kumtu ngan try for chartered accountant. First of all, the hard work by from Laban you. Secondly, don't give up. Trust in God. 100%. Be passionate.
Firstly, I would like to thank God ba ula dan lam dan kat banga ula ay nga kamat ba khot kya bangala ban pendap ya kani exams ma ula ya snow ki jing dry janga ula ki jing trishtam janga ula ya rap nga. Secondly, I would like to thank my parents ki bala dan bet nga ki encourage bet yang bangan pulikat bangan give my 100% ma. Thirdly, father principal bagi noi kai bawat lagi ngidan ngilong class hang pedeng kani pandemic ru ki lali kat bala ban ai ki notes tadi ki videos ki explanation kat bakila makima ki rap bet dingipan nipan jingirap ning bagi text ki iru lading call ki pick bet ki rap bet ma. Honestly I didn't expect ma pai ha 10 position ma namar bang dang prepare ke exams ni dang record nga create bet hakapor ba nga don monte ban create kot long ngam ju create hakapor ba nga snow jaitu ima kam jing long kena te ngam ju create namar ba kamrung hira dang create ru te hakapor ba nga snow smart ba nga snow don mon nga puli ga create nga kirung bon ma ki jing ben create te tai ngam dan ra exact kita te create kat hakapor ba nga somon nga create nga penlek jengmot hakapor nga create bun ki topics nga penrung penla penkenmau ning kom tem de ban bu teng ma wala ki don kina bam yo ka internet connection ka babiang ru le kala long te ngide ban bu teng ngide ban pet no ikitu ki bala yo komentar ngim di ban bu teng bang nginde la sha la ni sngi ringi min pendap ki works ki bagi nai kai ki da ai